The workforce survey that came out in 2008, its findings were this: 1/3 of workers report that they are so drained of energy from the work that they don't have any left over to do anything else. They don't have anything left over to be with family or friends. I don't have anything left over to take care of myself. I don't have anything left over to do anything. And that's what 1/3 say. Now, that survey by this organization comes out every 5 or so years, so the next one should be coming out around 2013. But those were the findings from 2008, 1/3. How many people in here suspect that when the next survey comes out, that number will be higher than 1/3? Show of hands. I'd just like to poll this group. All right. Look around the room at the hands that are going up. Keep those hands up. And the reason why I want you to look at that is because what you're saying is that you know that that is the reality. And everything that I've said so far does not represent anything new, does it? It's what you already know. So the question becomes, if we know and understand how important that piece is, especially as it relates to how we perform, why are we still really struggling and being so challenged in that area? Why does it still happen? Why does it still happen? And so something else that the survey alluded to was this whole idea that people are feeling like they have to make a choice. They have to make a choice between self-care and work. It's going to be one or the other, as if it's an either-or proposition. It's not an either-or proposition. Taking care of me is taking care of business. There are some real benefits to be had when I take care of me. Some real benefits, not an either-or. So the question is, how do I integrate the two? Because they are so connected. They fit together like this. So when we start thinking about all of the research that's out there around body, mind, and spirit, that information creates another compelling reason as to why our emphasis should be there when we start talking about things like pushing the boundaries, or high-performing teams, collaborating, risk-taking, strategy, analysis. We should go back to the basics. And that's really what it is. It's about going back to the basics. Every single team, no matter how small or how large, always starts with a single individual. The me's, so to speak, that comprise the team.